What is up, beautiful people? It is a beautiful morning to fit a downpipe. Yes, today we've come to SSR Performance, and Sanjeev has been the one person that has always fitted every exhaust on all of my performance cars. So it's only fitting that we bring the Type R to SSR Performance right here at Sanjeev to get this thing fitted. So, as you know, my car is fitted with the Remus exhaust, and already it sounds absolutely amazing. But this is what is holding back all those crackles and that real character behind the Type R. So we're going to be fitting this to this, and let's see what she sounds like. So let's do a before and after, and let's see what she's going to sound like. Let's go. All right, so let's see if we can do I'm hoping this will work, and I'm hoping that you're going to be able to hear what I hear. Let's see. Jeez, that is loud. What the hell? So one of the toughest things is actually trying to get to the downpipe. So as you know, with these cars, you've got the intake, which they've just taken off, which sits right about here, and then just behind the intake you've got the turbo. Now what's really difficult about this is the turbo nuts can also get really tight on the turbo, so taking the downpipe off can really get difficult. So it's really about finessing how you remove those nuts, and these guys have done it plenty of times, so they know exactly what they're doing. So yeah, it's time for stripping, and then the new downpipe is going to come on. Let's go. As you can see, the mid pipe sits around about here, and after the mid pipe, the downpipe sits in there. So we're gonna have to take that off and then fit it with this beautiful Remus exhaust. It goes all the way back from there and up this way. Look at that. So the downpipe is off. Look at that. So that is a stock one, obviously. That is a new one, and yeah, I mean, just look at it. Like the amount of flow that you're gonna get out of that versus that. I think we should see a slight power increase, but it wasn't an easy task. This man took it off. It wasn't easy, no? It wasn't easy. Yeah. So yeah, I think if you want to do it, especially the FK8 in South Africa, SSR Performance, they've got a lot of experience taking these off. Obviously off the turbo as well is quite difficult because the expansion and contraction becomes a bit of a problem. So yeah, these guys did it. Shout out to them. Let's see what happens next. The new downpipe is in. Now we're just bolting it up. And that's about it, eh? And just like that, she's ready to start. Let's go. Jeez, that is loud. What the hell? What in the world? Oh, that sounds good. That sounds really good. So that is it from me for this episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell icon so you can get notified every time I post up some cool content like this. But for today and for the Honda Civic Type R, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Javon Francis, signing out.